Behold, smokers, you're soon going to get more help quitting your habit because 22nd Century Group is now developing a new 100mm VLN-reduced nicotine content cigarette dubbed Operation 100. This initiative aims to reach a larger market of adult smokers who want to reduce their nicotine consumption, as 100mm cigarettes comprise approximately half of the U.S. market. The company plans to submit an FDA application for the new product in Q4 2025. The 100mm VLN cigarette is designed to provide smokers with a familiar choice as they seek to change their smoking behavior. According to Larry Firestone, CEO of 22nd Century Group, independent clinical studies have shown that offering reduced nicotine content products in familiar form factors already used by smokers is effective in reducing smoking behaviors. The company's proprietary reduced nicotine content tobacco has been extensively studied in independent clinical trials, which have demonstrated promising results. These studies have shown that smokers who use cigarettes containing 22nd Century's patented low nicotine tobacco tend to lower their cigarette consumption, make more quit attempts, and experience reduced nicotine exposure and dependence. Firestone emphasized that nicotine is a highly addictive substance, and while quitting smoking entirely is the best approach from a health perspective, decades of health data suggest that offering a variety of approaches can help smokers achieve their health goals. The company is committed to developing a lane for smoking harm reduction centered around its VLN products. 22nd Century Group has also announced a major update to its Pinnacle product manufacturing and marketing agreement with a top 5 C-store chain customer. The agreement includes the launch of 4 new Pinnacle SKUs, including 2 low-nicotine products, Pinnacle VLN Gold cigarettes and Pinnacle Menthol VLN cigarettes, which will be sold at approximately 1,700 stores across 27 states. The company expects sales to begin in late summer and early fall of 2025, with stocking orders in advance as state approvals are secured. The new agreement also includes a merchandising agreement to potentially expand the availability of Pinnacle products to include other retail and C-store chains. 22nd Century Group will provide the trademarked Pinnacle brand name, manufacturing services, and predicate tobacco blend for Pinnacle's conventional products, as well as distribution to the retail stores and state tax stamp compliance through its national scale distribution agreements. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day.